In a cozy corner of Clover Meadow, under the roots of a tall oak tree, lived a little gray mouse named Milo. He was friendly, funny, and full of energy. But Milo had one big problem. He was very, very messy. Milo loved collecting things: shiny buttons, colorful feathers, crumbs of cheese, old bottle caps, anything that looked interesting. He piled them high in his tiny mouse house. Over time, his little home became so full, there was barely a path to walk. One day, Milo invited his cousin Toby for a sleepover. When Toby arrived, he blinked in surprise. "Milo, where's your floor? I can't even see it," Milo chuckled. "Isn't it fun? Like a treasure cave." But Toby looked worried. "It's more like a clutter cave. What if you trip or lose something important?" Just then, Milo's tummy rumbled. "Let's have some cheese," he said, scrambling to find his snack box. But he couldn't remember where he'd put it. He lifted socks, moved boxes, and even climbed a pile of books, but no cheese box in sight. Toby shook his head gently. "See? That's why cleaning matters," Milo sighed. "You're right. But cleaning is so boring." "Not if we do it together," said Toby, smiling. So they made a plan. First, they made piles. One for trash, one for keeping, and one for giving away. Toby sang songs while Milo dusted. They made silly games like button basketball and fastest folder. Before long, Milo was actually having fun. They found 5 lost socks, 2 missing spoons, and finally Milo's cheese box, hidden behind a stack of napkins. When they finished, Milo looked around in awe. His home felt twice as big. He could see the floor again, and everything smelled fresh. That night, they snuggled into tidy beds and shared stories under a clean, warm blanket. In the morning, Milo woke up with a new idea. He made a cleaning chart. Just 10 minutes a day would keep his home cozy and safe. From then on, Milo kept his space neat. He still collected treasures, but now only the ones that truly mattered. And every time someone visited, they smiled and said, "Milo, your house is the neatest in the meadow." Milo would grin and reply, "A tidy home makes room for fun." Milo learned that cleaning his space keeps you safe, happy, and ready for adventure. Little by little, big messes become small wins. And that was the end of the story. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. See you later. Bye-bye.